In dance, arabesque is a body position in which a dancer stands on one leg with the other leg turned out and extended behind the body, with both legs held straight. In classical ballet, an arabesque can be executed with the supporting leg end point or demi point or with foot flat on the floor. The working leg may touch the floor in tendu back or be elevated. Common elevation angles of the raised leg are 45 degree and 90 degree. When the angle is much greater than 90 degree and the body trunk leans forward to counterbalance the working leg, the position is called arabesque penché copyright. The arms may be held in various positions. Numbered variations in ballet. Vaganova equals. In the Vaganova method there are 4 basic arabesque positions. They are here described for a dancer facing Vaganova's fixed point 8 of the stage. In class practice, the arms are always level with the shoulders, while in performance the arm in front may be raised above shoulder level. The elbows are always facing downwards. In the first arabesque, the dancer stands in Ifaka copyright position with the right leg raised in arabesque, the right arm extended to the side and the left arm extended front. The gaze follows the line of the arm extended en avant. In the second arabesque the legs are like in the first arabesque, but the right arm is extended en avant while the left arm is extended aligned with the dancer's shoulder. The shoulders are in a copyright pointement in line with the arms and the gaze is turned to the audience. The dancer's face focus must turn directly towards the audience. See direction 1. In the third arabesque the dancer stands in croiser copyright position with the left leg raised in arabesque, the right arm extended to the side and a little behind the shoulder, and the left arm extended front. The gaze follows the line of the arm extended en avant. In the fourth arabesque position the dancer stands in croiser copyright as for the third arabesque, but the right arm is extended front and the left arm is extended as far back as possible in line with the right arm. The shoulders are in stronger copyright polement and the dancer's focus is turned to the audience. Method: in arabesque tendu or da copyright gaga copyright, the leg comes from the hip and does not affect the aplomb of the dancer, as the back remains straight. Most dancers do not have absolute rotation through the supporting leg, therefore the working hip may open, while the supporting hip lifts forward over the supporting foot, maintaining a spiral rotation through the legs, with the whole of the supporting foot anchored to the floor. When the leg is moved or held above 45 degrees or so, the dancer curves the spine both laterally and vertically. The method is to 1. Anchor the shoulders and scapula downward without tension, keeping both shoulders square. The sternum must lift without hyperextending the ribcage. 2. Keep the supporting hip forward, as mentioned above. The spine curves to the anterior, keeping the head lifted to focus straight forward to diagonally up. The current standard height and degree for the Vaganova arabesque is 110 degrees. Vaganova method maintains that, in classical ballet, both the supporting and the working legs must be fully turned out through the legs even in full arabesque. If the choreography requires the dancer to open his arms, the performer should rotate the shoulders around the spine, so the shoulders do not affect the position of the back and spine and/or shoulders. Note that allowing for the dancer to open the hips is distinctly different than some older methods, that require the hips to remain down. Restraining the hips restricts range of motion, restricting the full curvature of the spine. Nor for most dancers, to exhibit an outwardly rotated leg. Opening the hip allows dancers with lesser mobile bodies to safely achieve greater range of motion in arabesque. Royal Academy of Dance in the RAD system, there are 3 main arabesques. Here they are described facing point 6. First arabesque is taken standing en ouvert on the right leg with the left leg extended. The right arm is extended forwards at eye height, parallel with the right shoulder. The left arm is at the side, slightly behind and below the left shoulder. Second arabesque has a more square feel to it. The dancer stands on their left leg, with their right leg extended. The right arm is extended forwards at shoulder height, and the left arm is extended directly sideways from the shoulder. This can also be taken en ouvert, standing on the right leg and extending the left arm forwards. Third arabesque is taken en ouvert. The dancer stands on their right leg, with their left leg extended behind. The right arm is extended forwards at eye height, and the left arm is extended parallel to it at shoulder height. Further reading, Baganova, A Basic Principles of Classical Ballet. Dover Publications, Incorporated. ISBN 0-486-22036-2. Kostrovitskaya, Vera 100 Lessons in Classical Ballet. Oleg Bronsky. Limelight Editions, New York. ISBN 0-87910-068-0. Messera, Asaf, 1972. Classes in Classical Ballet. Oleg Bronsky. Doubleday and Company Incorporated, New York. ISBN 0-385-04599-9. Grant, G. Technical Manual and Dictionary of Classical Ballet. Dover Publications. ISBN 0-486-21843-0. References. External links, media related to Arabesque at Wikimedia Commons.